Today we're gonna have a new experience, right? Opening the puzzle box I just received this morning from the TechDin. So TechDin is a website. It's an online aquarium business from Queensland. 4510. All right, so let's see what I got. I got some mystery product to show you guys. So this is to set up my 50 times 50 new aquarium. It's right behind you. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it. That's what I bought. 88 Amazonia light soil and a Seacan Tider 55 hand-on filter. There we go. Okay, first thing, let's look at packaging. A bit of space, so yes, it works. Not the best packing I've seen, but it works, right? It's just basically to prevent the stuff being thrown around inside the box. What do we have here? Elementos. There we go. Here it goes to my daughter. She will love it. Alright, that's where I'm really looking forward to do a review on this Seacan Tater 55 hand back filter, which I'm going to do a separate review video for. How to say, this probably the one of the most expensive hand-on filter I've seen so far. It got good reviews on YouTube and the internet. So this one I paid probably how much I paid for this? No, here we go. $96, right? Yeah, I don't know if there are any other hand-on back filter is more expensive than, of course, if you go to 55, if you go to 75, 100 stuff, that'll be more expensive. But for the same brand, same model, this is probably most expensive. I hope my money is well spent. Who knows? Let's find out later, shall we? Yeah, that's the key feature I'm looking for. So it has basket inside our hand filter. So when you do a cleaning or change the media, you just take the whole basket out instead of take the whole filter out of the tank. What else we have? Oh, the good old 88 Amazonia soil. Yep, there's nothing new about it. All right. Light. Okay, so why do I need light? I don't know if you guys can read it, but light has, compared with normal, it has less nutritions. I think, especially less nitrogen in it. The number one reason why you want to get light instead of normal 88 aqua soil is to minimize the possibility having algae attack at early stage of your tank cycling or setup. That's probably the one reason most people goes to this light. So I never used light before, but I will give it a go for my new tank, right? Because my new tank will specifically focus on one special type of mystery plants. I can tell you it's red plants, which actually require much less nitrogen. It requires more phosphate rather than nitrogen. So that's why I pick this light soil and see how it works. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you.